Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and I recently shared with you this space here, and I announced that I will be working on a boys room. So that is what I'm doing, but I wanted to share with you the paper, the decorative paper for the walls that I am considering. Now look at this print here. This is an army print. It has some rifles, jeeps, flags, and I have a lot of patriotic items that can go well with this paper. But too bad I only have one sheet. And all these sheets are from my favorite thrift store. Now, look at how cute this is. So I am considering this. This, being that I only have one, might be the one for that wall, the focal point. Then I have this other pattern here. Look at this. Too bad I only have one of these also. But this could be for the floor. This would be perfect for flooring. Then I have this. Now the little boy that I will be using in this creation, he looks like he's about 7 years old. So this would be a great pattern to use in a 7-year-old's room. I have a whole bunch of these, of this pattern. Then I have this one. I also have some bowling pins somewhere, miniature ones, and they would go great with this paper. So I have to find them because I don't know where they are. But yes, this is the paper that I am considering for the new room, the new boys' room. I hope that you will stay tuned. And thank you so much for watching.